The Jordan Schnitzer Museum of Art's Soreng Gallery of Chinese Art has just undergone a long-awaited renovation. Betty Soreng and other generous donors allowed us to update our facilities to a standard better in line with the high quality of our collection. The inaugural installation, Myriad Treasures, features Chinese artworks spanning 4 millennia of history from the legacy collection of museum founder Gertrude Bass Warner and from exciting recent acquisitions. The works include Neolithic through 19th century ceramics, ancient and archaistic bronze vessels, Buddhist art, literati and professional paintings and prints, samples from our superlative collection of Qing-dynasty textiles, imperial calligraphy, elegant decorative objects made of jade, glass, and crystal, and selected modern and contemporary Chinese works. This reinstallation celebrates the last century of cross-cultural engagement at the University of Oregon and heralds exciting future faculty and student research on the JSMA's enduring and expanding Chinese art collection.